Your antenna cable is broken? Don't rush to replace it. Come on, let's connect it ourselves at home. It's easy. This way of connecting cables is wrong. First, gather simple tools: a knife or small cutter, electrical tape, and connectors if available. If you don't have connectors, don't worry, you can still connect them manually. Strip the end of the cable about 2-3 cm. Be careful not to damage the copper fibers inside. After peeling, separate the core copper fiber with the aluminum foil layer or outer wire fiber. This is important to prevent short circuits. Then bend the two wires. Combine the copper core from both sides, twist until tight. Do the same for the outer wire fiber, but do not mix it with the copper core. Once connected, wrap each section with electrical tape. Make sure the electrical tape is securely attached to protect it from signal and airborne interference. In order for it to stick really firmly, we have to heat it using a lighter. Very easy, right? Broken antenna cables are no longer a problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips. See you. Hope it's useful.